In the historic Rainey Street District of downtown Austin, this 35-story residential mixed-use tower provides easy access to everything the city has to offer. The best of Austin's shopping, entertainment, transport connections, and outdoor recreational opportunities are on this property's doorstep, enabling residents to live, work, and play in their urban neighborhood. The building's striking lakefront setting inspired the design, which incorporates natural elements, including a green wall for environmental and visual appeal. The property also features a 2-story amenity deck and a roof filled with native plants. In the parking garage, multiple charging options are available to both residents and visitors who drive electric cars. The tower's position helps to reduce the level of solar radiation on the west facade, which features an energy-efficient, non-load-bearing glass curtain wall to help reduce heat inside the homes. Each condo unit uses low-consumption plumbing fixtures, Energy Star appliances, and efficient HVAC equipment that is connected to Austin Energy's district cooling system, helping residents keep energy use and utility costs to a minimum. This building's design demonstrates thoughtful integration of community health, well-being, and sustainability throughout. Interior finishes that minimize the emission of harmful chemicals and a green housekeeping plan contribute to occupant health. More than 65% of the materials used during construction were locally sourced or contained recycled content, reducing the project's resource footprint, supporting the local economy, and demonstrating that the sky's the limit for Austin's growing community of green buildings.